Gentlemen, if you're over 50 and starting to feel that your energy, drive, or muscle strength isn't quite what it used to be, you're not imagining it. Maybe you've noticed that your workouts take a little more effort, or that spark in your day fades faster than before. Some mornings, it just takes longer to get going, and even after a full night's sleep, something still feels missing. It's not just aging, it's biology. After 50, a man's testosterone naturally declines, roughly 1% each year. That might not sound like much, but over a decade or two, it can completely change how you feel, think, and move. Here's the good news. You're not powerless against it. You can absolutely support, protect, and even reignite your body's natural testosterone production, safely and effectively. No injections, no synthetic boosters, no sketchy online products. You just need to understand what your body is missing and how to give it back. Today, we're talking about 5 medical-grade supplements backed by real science that help men over 50 restore vitality, strength, and confidence. Think of these as fuel for the internal engine that keeps you active, masculine, and mentally sharp. This isn't about trying to be 25 again. It's about optimizing your body for the age you are now, so you can keep doing what you love with energy and pride. And if you stay until the end, I'll explain how to combine these 5 safely and the best time of day to take each one for maximum benefit. This is Men's Vitality After 60, and today we're giving you the science-backed tools to rebuild your strength from the inside out. Let's start with the foundation, vitamin D3. Most men think of vitamin D as the bone vitamin, but in reality, it acts more like a hormone. It influences over 1,000 genes in your body, including those that regulate testosterone production. Low vitamin D levels are shockingly common, especially in northern areas like Canada, the UK, or the northern United States. Limited sunlight, indoor work, and even sunscreen block your skin from producing enough of it. Research from Graz University in Austria showed that men who took 3,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily for 1 year saw their testosterone levels rise by more than 20%. That's a major change from something so simple. Let's bring that to life. John, a 62-year-old retired engineer from Michigan, spent most of his days indoors. He started noticing fatigue creeping in, mood dipping, and workouts that used to be easy suddenly feeling like a grind. After a blood test showed low vitamin D, his doctor suggested 4,000 IU each morning with breakfast. Within months, John wasn't just more alert. He said he felt like his mornings had come back. Here's the key. Always take vitamin D3 with food that contains healthy fats, like eggs, avocado toast, or salmon, because it's fat-soluble. For most men over 50, 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily keeps levels in the optimal range. But if you want to be precise, get a blood test first. Now, once that foundation is solid, let's move to the mineral that holds everything together, zinc. Zinc is essential for testosterone synthesis, immune defense, and even sperm quality. It quietly controls hundreds of processes in your body. When zinc levels fall, testosterone production slows down. Simple as that. One landmark study from Wayne State University found that men who restricted zinc intake for just 20 weeks saw testosterone levels drop by nearly half. That's how critical it is. And here's something most men don't realize. Zinc deficiency becomes more common with age. As stomach acid production decreases, your ability to absorb zinc weakens. You might eat a decent diet, but still not get enough. Mark, a 58-year-old construction supervisor, learned that the hard way. He was catching every cold that came around, energy crashing by midday, and his drive, both in the gym and the bedroom, had flatlined. His doctor discovered low zinc levels and suggested a 25 milligram supplement. Within weeks, his energy picked up, focus returned, and that quiet confidence most men miss started coming back. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds, but for most men over 50, a daily supplement of 15 to 30 milligrams works best. Always take it with food, never on an empty stomach, or you'll risk nausea. Now that we've talked about zinc, let's shift one of the most underrated nutrients for men's health, magnesium. Think of magnesium as the quiet stabilizer. It helps your muscles relax, supports deep sleep, and keeps your nervous system calm. But what most men don't know is that magnesium directly influences testosterone too. When stress and poor sleep raise cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses testosterone, magnesium steps in. It lowers cortisol and improves sleep quality, giving your body the reset it needs. A study from Italy showed that men who took magnesium for just 4 weeks had significantly higher free testosterone, especially those who exercised regularly. Tom, 65, used to wake up around 3 a.m. every night, unable to fall back asleep. His energy tanked, motivation disappeared, and he felt drained all day. His doctor suggested magnesium glycinate before bed. Within a week, he was sleeping through the night again. His recovery improved, workouts felt easier, and his mood lifted. If you're considering magnesium, start with 200 to 400 milligrams nightly. Magnesium glycinate or citrate are the most absorbable forms. Now we move to something that bridges the gap between nutrition and hormones, DHEA. DHEA, or dehydroepiandrosterone, is a hormone produced by your adrenal glands. It's the precursor to both testosterone and estrogen. After about age 40, DHEA levels drop sharply, often mirroring the decline in testosterone. Restoring it naturally can help bring vitality back. In a Harvard study, older men who took 25 to 50 milligrams of DHEA daily experienced improved energy, libido, and modest testosterone increases. It's not a steroid or a miracle pill. It's a gentle support system that helps your body rebalance. Alan, 61, had been skeptical about supplements. His blood work showed low DHEA, and under his doctor's guidance, he started 25 milligrams each morning. After 2 months, he said, "I don't feel younger, but I feel like me again." His motivation returned, his focus sharpened, and he finally felt steady. That's the power of DHEA done correctly. It's subtle, but meaningful. Just remember, it's not for everyone. Always check your hormone levels and talk to your doctor first. Now we come to the 5th supplement, the one that ties all the others together, omega-3 fatty acids. Most men know fish oil is great for the heart, but few realize it's essential for testosterone too. Omega-3s improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and strengthen cell membranes, making it easier for hormones to do their job. In 2020, European researchers found that men who took omega-3 supplements had higher total testosterone and better sperm quality than those who didn't. Omega-3s also help balance cholesterol, a key ingredient your body needs to make hormones. Take a high-quality fish oil with at least 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily, always with meals. If you prefer plant-based options, algae oil works just as well. Now imagine combining these 5. Vitamin D3 to activate your hormones, zinc to fuel testosterone synthesis, magnesium to lower stress and improve sleep, DHEA to restore hormonal balance, and omega-3s to enhance blood flow and vitality. Together, they don't just boost testosterone, they help your entire system work better. You'll notice energy returning, strength improving, sleep deepening, and mood stabilizing. Even your outlook on life starts to shift. Because when your hormones are balanced, you feel grounded, confident, and alive again. Think of it like maintaining a classic car. You can't just polish the exterior. You need to tune the engine, change the oil, and replace worn parts. These supplements are your tune-up kit. Steady, reliable, and safe when used consistently. Let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. 1. Vitamin D3 acts like a hormone, boosts testosterone, and supports mood and bone strength. 2. Zinc, essential for testosterone synthesis, immune health, and prostate function. 3. Magnesium, lowers stress, improves sleep, and increases free testosterone. 4. DHEA, replenishes hormone precursors lost with age. 5. Omega-3s, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and strengthen vitality. No shortcuts, no hype, just biology working in your favor. So, gentlemen, tell me, which of these are you already taking, and which one will you start with? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're taking charge of your vitality again. And if this helped you understand how to rebuild energy and strength after 50, hit that like button and subscribe to Men's Vitality After 60. Because feeling great after 50 isn't luck, it's strategy. And that strategy starts inside, one smart, consistent step at a time.